Hello there guys, this is Nicholas here. We're back with another video and I've got a very exciting drive here for us. I am sitting behind the wheel of a GR Corolla. This is a premium edition with a clutch manual, our absolute halo race car on the Toyota lineup. It's a really cool opportunity that I get to drive one of these. I've actually never been behind the wheel of a GR Corolla. I've sold a couple, you get the opportunity to deliver them and that's just about it. So it's really cool that I get to take one out and actually go for a drive. I have the pleasure here with me today. Some of you may have seen her run around the dealership, behind the camera usually helping us out a lot. Anna here, she is our lovely social media marketing wizard doing all the fun stuff behind the scenes. I've been trying to convince her to get behind the camera too, so here we are. Here we are.
No, this is fun, I'm excited.
Yeah, we're gonna get out into town a little bit. I'll do, have a little bit of fun. We can't go too crazy, of course we're gonna sell it, but I definitely wanna feel this engine, see how it goes, and try that clutch out a little bit for sure. Wow. Holy cow. That's everything though. That's sport mode, 4-wheel drive. That's absolutely everything. So we're gonna go over to the university here today, the University of Laurier, or I guess Wilfrid Laurier University, and get into town a little bit. We're gonna film the car, really just get our opinion on it. It's one that we actually have the rare opportunity where we have one of these actually available for sale. So if somebody's interested in it, they can actually come to the dealership, get behind the wheel, and feel this car for themselves. It's been one, if you're familiar with the Toyota lineup, it's usually been a 2-year wait, 3-year wait, really something we just basically said you might get one day. So the fact that we actually have one on ground is really cool. That rev out of a little 3-cylinder is crazy. Wow. I don't know, that's it's different than the Supra. The Supra had way more like roar than this, but the peppiness of this thing is crazy.
It's quick.
It's so much fun. Second feels really like, you have to get it a second fast. This clutch is really nice. It's really easy too. I've never driven a car with rev matching either. So I definitely will try that at some point too here. And you can hear the blow off valve too. You hear that on the turbo? Yeah, I love that. It's my favorite. That's the only flaw. That's the best part about a turbo, is hearing it.
Do you keep up with us?
No chance. That is incredible. Okay, so we are at the university here, so we'll pull around here a little bit. I want to get out of the car a little, show the car off a little. I think I went one driveway too far. There's Joe right there. Poor guy can't keep up, eh?
I know, right?
Sorry, buddy, you can't keep up. This is one I would love to get this on the highway. I don't know if I can handle the speeding tickets, but oh no!
Oh no!
Rookie stalls are. It's got to happen at least once though. I wonder if that's just a 4-wheel drive? Huh. That blow-off valve is, that is really hard to not want to just play with all day.
So is that second?
Yeah, that's just second, yeah.
Are we turning any heads?
We will on the main road for sure. Yeah, that's what's fun. My Dustin, when he goes driving his Supra, the amount of heads that he turns, it's always cool. Yeah, this is one of those cars, you can get everywhere you're going, the same as all the rest of your cars. It's just as safe, but you get there faster.
Yeah.
Every time.
It's a more fun way.
Yeah. You can smell that fresh rubber burning off, eh? And all the smash.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. And all the oils and stuff coming out of the engine and everything.
I like the red stitching too, that's nice.
Yeah, I really like this. They did a good job. Yeah. It's just sporty enough, but it's a car.
And the seats are super comfortable.
Yeah. I love these seats. Even as a big guy. They're very comfortable.
You like fit right into them.
Yeah. I wish they were ventilated. I'm surprised they're not for a car this nice. Some of those little things, that's what's interesting, right? It's a premium, so you have more than like Toyota, I guess, usually gives, but it's funny, like you still don't have that many features, which I guess is the sports car thing.
Yeah,
so I was second, so it can still hold pretty well. Just gotta get used to it. Okay, I should definitely, I want to try this rev matching. I've never.
What does that do? So
rev matching, I've never used it myself. But basically, so when you switch gears, you have to rev match to switch gears, and basically rev matching does it for you.
Okay.
So they call it intelligent manual drive, or manual transmission, is what they call it. But when I do this, I should just go like this, switch, yeah. So it just literally feels like you get the drive of a manual, but you don't actually have to do it. It's unreal,
I love it. It's crazy.
And this is just like in town, I have to be a good boy, you know? This would be one, could you imagine tracking this?
Oh,
This would be an incredible drive on a track. And this is the cool one where like we're in race mode, we're in everything right now.
Yeah.
But having 4-wheel drive, like how tight it feels, like how well that holds is incredible. Wow.
Wow. That was so cool.
It like wants to slip, but it's so tight. And having, that's where this 4-wheel drive technology is incredible in this car. Jason, you didn't see that clip, I promise. We'll cut that one out, don't worry.
Yeah.
So, my personal thing, I'm like you can tell, I love turbos. I love like peppiness, manual for sure. The manual Supra would have been very, very interesting for me. I think I would have really enjoyed that drive. But I really like the 3-cylinder turbo feel. Like I really like the peppy power.
Yeah. You do have that manual Supra.
I know. I need to take that for a drive. Yes. So yeah. So between the two, I really like the peppy of the 3-cylinder with the turbo. It is just like for driving around town, what I would do on a daily basis, it would be really, really fun for me. Whereas the Supra has so much power that you would never get to use. You know? That's and I think this, funny enough, I feel like this is way more comfort than the Supra. The Supra's a lot more raw to me. Where this has just enough creature comforts. You have feeling enough like a car, the all-wheel drive. Yeah, you have enough in here that it feels a lot more like a car. It is interesting how much I'm stalling it though. I think it's because I'm leaving second. It's a heavy clutch. It's an interesting drive. That's a good spot right here.
Yeah, I like that. You can really smell the road.
Yeah. Okay guys, we're here at the Wilfrid Laurier University. I just drove the GR Corolla through town here quite a bit. We've had the opportunity to really rev that turbo up, see how it feels. And honestly guys, this drive is incredible. It's even more than I thought it would be. That 300 horsepower under the pedal, really, you can really feel it. The intelligent shifting makes the shift really, really easy. And honestly, I got Anna shaking a little bit, that 4-wheel drive, the way it holds on corners, the way you're able to maneuver, you get everywhere you want to go, you're extremely safe and all of that, you just get there faster, you get there a little more turboed. It's a lot of fun, and it's nice that you've got all those little things like your sensors, like your CarPlay and all of that, so you have the daily comforts that you're after. So if you'd like the opportunity to take this one for a drive, guys, like we said, we have one at the dealership. This vehicle is available, it's the premium, you've got all those nice features with the carbon fiber hood, a lot of those extras that people are looking for on the premium. And like I said, it's that rare opportunity that you actually can take one for a drive before you buy it, before you order it, all of those things. So again, I'm Nicholas Morrison here at Forbes Waterloo Toyota. We're here in the beautiful Wilfrid Laurier in Waterloo. Thank you very much for watching. Have yourself a great day. Take care.